every 4 months there is a new ingredient that becomes the buzzword.
Yeah.
And every single company will get a product with that.
Okay.
कि आपका जो दाग है आप शक्ल पे
बिल्कुल
ये
ऐसा ही
बहुत
है।
बुरा है और आपकी स्किन जो है वो ग्लो होनी चाहिए। आई थॉट यहाँ पे मेल प्रैक्टिस बहुत ज़्यादा है, इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेस होगी एक अच्छी कम्युनिकेशन लेके आने की। देयर इज अ ह्यूज इंडस्ट्री, बिलियंस ऑफ डॉलर्स globally being pumped into selling you an insecurity. At the end of the day, your skin is an organ, like your heart, like your liver, like your lungs, and all it needs to be is healthy. It does not need to glow. It does not need to be white. You don't need to look like a vampire.
Hello and welcome back to One on One by TV Season 4. This is your host Tehreem Basalat and today we have someone with us who has been with me previously. मैंने उनके साथ एक short time के लिए briefly काम किया है, but since then he has been in the marketing field and doing some really good and creative work and इन्होंने एक अपना कोई product भी बनाया है जिसके बारे में we will be talking about today कि वो क्यों बना है, कैसे बना है, what's unique about it and उसको कहाँ लेके जाने वाले हैं. So hello, अस्सलाम वालेकुम शाहरुख, कैसे हैं आप?
Assam, I'm great. How are you?
I'm good as well. So Shahrukh, for the people who are like looking at meeting you for the first time, can you tell them कि who you are and तुम करते क्या हो?
Right. My name is Shahrukh. I am a creative strategist, which is the best way to explain that I also do strategy and I also do creative work. Creative work I've done pretty much har tarah ka, that I've also done improv, I've done a little bit stand-up. I've worked behind the camera, I've worked in front of the camera, I've worked on graphics. So I mean a fair bunch of stuff, but for a good enough summary and understanding, I've been a creative strategist in the advertising circuit for about 5-ish years, and then since then I have spent the last 3 years working mostly with remote opportunities, working with international brands. Some are strategic consultancy, some are more the same creative strategy.
Okay, so you have kept the creativity wala aspect throughout, regardless of whatever you were working.
Right.
So let's talk about the brand that you have built. What is it? Like, kya hai?
So right before I built, I start talking about the brand. The reason why I sort of shifted towards this is that I had worked a fair amount of time in the advertising industry and in the marketing circuit जो पाकिस्तान में जिसका आप भी हिस्सा नहीं है, so you know how it is, and it's a handful sometimes.
It is.
So the idea was that the work that I was doing, while it was nice, I was getting all the accolades. I have all of the embellishments of an advertising career, the FEs, PDAs, this and that.
Okay.
I don't know why it's called a PDA award. That's so awkward. But I digress. The idea is, I had pretty much done everything that a typical creative is looking for, and I was still not really feeling fulfilled. Like some of the greatest ideas are sitting in the reject pile.
Okay.
And the most safest, the most basic work
was being executed.
So ironic that my brand is called Basic, and I'm running away from Basic in the creative field.
Makes sense.
But so I had enough of that. I was getting bored, and so I thought I should move to an international market, and that's what I was doing for the last 3 years. And even that, to a fair point, has now plateaued. Like there's no challenge, and most of my career I have either sold services or like services. It's selling a service. So it was time that I needed something tangible जो मेरे हाथ में हो, that I can show to you from all aspects and then tell you इसकी क्या अच्छाई है, इसकी क्या बुराई है, and then sell it to you.
Of course.
So getting to the brand, honestly, मेरी कोई internal calling उस तरह से नहीं थी कि यही चीज़ करनी है. It was just I need a product.
Okay.
I need a product and I want to sell a product. So that was
that's
the
how it
only,
came into the.
Yeah, so that was the first thought.
Okay.
And the rest of that, because I had so much experience in strategy, maybe research skills
अच्छी हैं.
So I looked at the market, I looked at opportunities. इत्तेफाक की बात ये है कि हम Pakistan is currently sort of going through a little bit of a shift. We are almost just turning into a consumer market.
Makes sense.
तो कोई भी चीज़ जो है ना यहाँ पे अभी तक fully saturate नहीं हुई है, apart from maybe coffee shops, because वो I think
आजकल peak पे
वो I think बहुत ज़्यादा हो गई हैं. But I think it's fair to say कि a lot of people have asked me कि इसके अंदर और space है या नहीं. We haven't revealed what the product is yet. Should I say?
Yeah, please do.
It's a skincare company. It's called Basic Skincare. And so now you have a little bit of context of why I'm saying what I'm saying. But a lot of people ask me, is this saturated? Are there enough? Aren't there enough already? This
exactly.
That. सबका यही जवाब होता है कि अभी we're just opening up as a consumer market.
Makes sense.
There is space for so many more. Like everybody can sort of
course.
take a slice of the
slice
cake.
of it. Nee, definitely. Like when you opened it, interesting fact, I will let you guys know. When I came across the brand Basic on social media, I did not know कि वो शाहरुख का brand है. And when Shahrukh messaged me like you know like this is my brand and everything, so I was like really surprised and obviously proud as well because it was something which attracted to me instantly. It has a really nice creative angle to it, the way you are marketing it and everything. उसकी website इतनी creatively बनी हुई है and सारी चीज़ें. So can you tell me कि what is the philosophy maybe या फिर basic आया कहाँ से, like why basic?
Right. So that has two answers. The first of which is slightly personal and the second is फिर business end पे.
Okay.
Personal ये है कि whatever I wanted to do, जो मेरी कुछ frustrations advertising में थी that we recently touched upon, वो यही थी कि किसी भी चीज़ में कोई impact नहीं है. There's no real work being done. Like हमारे client थे and I'll try not to say the name,
Yeah.
but it was a bank and they
Okay.
were coming up with a women's account, Women's
Okay,
Day,
women's
Women's Day के
account,
ऊपर women's
okay.
account उनका आ रहा
Okay.
था and I asked them, okay, what's in the product?
Yeah.
What's the special thing? How do we sell it to women?
सही है.
And there was no real answer. It was just कि ये पिंक कलर का कार्ड होगा and कुछ salons वगैरह पे आपको
सही
डिस्काउंट दे देंगे, which kind of pissed me off. And I was
Okay.
like, you know, so that was एक तो my breaking point from advertising, but also in general, that was the point where I started yearning for work that has some impact.
Okay.
I want to
Makes
make a difference
Makes
at the end of the
sense.
day.
Makes sense.
Sure, I want to make money, but I would like that to come from a space that is largely positive. It's doing something, or at least it's not doing anything negative for the
Makes
consumer.
sense, yeah.
मतलब कोई एक भी उसमें हो तो आपका impact create हो जाता है.
बिल्कुल.
So impact was what I was hunting for, and उसके बाद मेरी research जो है वो इस तरह के phases में चली गई कि now I'm looking at industries जहाँ पे malpractices बहुत ज़्यादा है.
Okay.
I'm looking at industries जहाँ पे malpractice बहुत ज़्यादा है और space भी है और low investment के साथ कुछ किया जा सकता है. So that is how my net kept expanding into the research, and I think once it hit me that skincare is the space because now we are getting to the business side of it. The philosophy of why I created a skincare company called Basic Skincare is that there's a huge industry, billions of dollars globally being pumped into selling you an insecurity.
Okay.
कि आपका जो दाग है आप शक्ल पे ये बहुत बुरा है और आपकी स्किन जो है वो ग्लो होनी चाहिए और ये कोरियन इन्फ्लुएंसर्स हैं, you should look like them.
Rice glow skin, yeah.
Rice.
Yeah.
Every 4 months there is a new ingredient that becomes the buzzword,
Yeah.
and every single company will get a product with that.
Of course,
Right
yeah.
now it's
Yes,
rice.
yes.
You said correctly.
Yeah.
So rice का face wash भी आ रहा है, rice का
हर
mask
चीज़
भी
आ
आ
रही
रहा है,
है,
rice का
बिल्कुल.
hair mask भी आ रहा है. अभी सब rice based चल रहा है.
बिल्कुल.
And ये deliberate होता है. ये deliberate
अच्छा,
होता है. This
सही
is
है.
engineered in a way
Okay.
कि कहीं से किसी एक board room में आती है कि this is our next one. Maybe
and then
the pricing
सब
of
लोग-
it is working out. Maybe it's the like you crack an angle कि अच्छा इसको ऐसे
Selling point
बोल के
मिल
हम-
जाता है, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
ऐसे बोल के हम इसको बेचेंगे.
सही है.
And it goes on to such an extent कि again because you and I are sort of like, for the lack of a better words, we are slave to our screens right now. And whatever
Definitely.
information is emitting out of it, we are
बिल्कुल ऐसे ही है.
subconsciously, unconsciously, or even sometimes
Consuming
consciously,
it, yeah.
we're believing in it, we're
Believing
buying
in
that.
it, बिल्कुल.
So I mean, I thought यहाँ पे malpractice बहुत ज़्यादा है, इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा space होगी एक अच्छी communication लेके आने की, that people will also connect to, because I think somewhere there are smaller pockets right now which will grow slightly bigger with time. जो लोग थक रहे हैं इस चीज़ से कि भाई बहुत ज़्यादा consumption हो रही है. अब स्किन केयर में स्पेसिफिकली 12 steps, 17 steps, 18 steps.
Yes.
You know, like after one point you become the product.
Definitely,
So-
I feel exhausted. Like I know how much, like as a female, I'm speaking on behalf of them. Like कितने आपको like the amount of money that you have to spend on skincare is separate. Like makeup पे अलग spend करते हो, skincare पे अलग करते हो, and then I believe दोनों ही industries अपनी जगह grow कर रही हैं. Like if
Grow
you
कर रही
see कि like उन्होंने skincare ने अपना बना लिया कि like no makeup वाला situation के like makeup ना करिए, makeup वालों ने बना लिया कि no skincare, वो ऐसे makeup products बना रहे हैं जिनमें already skincare incorporated होती है and all of that. So you're absolutely right कि like it's a big fish market जहाँ पे हर चीज़ like लोगों को consume करके वहाँ से पैसे निकालने वाला basically.
ऐसे ही है. और वो पहले थोड़ा subtle होता है, but slightly ना आप like it sort of eats at you. Like एक single insecurity है जो आपको किसी time पे click कर गई.
Yeah.
अब आप it will stay with you for a while, and that will grow within you. And then
Yes.
one day you'll be like, okay, I'll spend small amount of money to do something about it.
Yes.
And then you will not feel fulfilled, and then
Yes.
you will want to spend bigger amounts of money every day.
Definitely.
And again, देखो मैं choice politics है, जिसको जो करना है वो कर सकता है अपने पैसों के साथ. I'm not saying a certain thing is great or a certain thing is evil. It's just in my opinion, I find it slightly concerning कि we have now gotten to the point कि हम अपने like there are aesthetic clinics.
Yes.
That
I was
are
just thinking about that.
You know,
yeah.
They're putting you on drips.
Yep.
You're getting procedures.
Glow
वगैरह.
drips and everything. Yeah.
So I mean, if you want it, go for it.
Botox
but
and-
I feel like कि it's a dangerous line ke if you want it and you have the money, you should absolutely go for it. But then there is an element of other people who cannot get it, or who do not actually need it, but because they're sort of seeing something like as a
happening,
trend, or एक वो माहौल बन जाता है,
peer pressure भी होता है, माहौल बन जाता है,
it sort of grows. Unnecessary है. I feel like unnecessary है. At the end of the day, let's come reel it all back. At the end of the day, your skin is an organ, like your heart, like your liver, like your lungs. And all it needs to be is healthy. It does not need to glow. It does not need to be white. It does not need, like, you don't need to look like a vampire. You just have to be it needs to be healthy.
Makes
and sense. So that's why what we created was something that will be sufficient. It will be accessible. And accessibility ka, I'll say again, we come from a certain privilege. I'm not saying everybody in Pakistan can buy it right now, but that's the idea. I mean, it's a small company right now. We grow in scale. We can bring down our prices.
Makes sense.
And so our focus is built to make it more accessible as we grow.
As you grow. Okay.
So that's the idea, guys. You don't need 12 steps. You don't need to look like a South Korean model or a South Korean K-pop star. At the end of the day, you're a regular human being. Your skin needs to look like a regular human. And so for that, what you really need is a good cleanse. You need, if there are something wrong with your, not wrong, but chalo, if there is something that is troublesome with your skin, you need to sort of restore that, repair that, and then you need to protect it. So those are the three steps that you really need. अब आपने पहले स्टेप के अंदर भी अगर 5 प्रोडक्ट्स घुसा दी, you can absolutely do it.
Do that.
आप कॉटन स्वैप भी बेचो, आप टोनर भी बेचो, आप क्लेंजर भी बेचो,
सारी सप्लीमेंट्स आ जाते हैं उसके साथ, बिल्कुल ऐसे.
Supplements भी बेचो. You can do that. And for people who can do it, please do it. But don't sort of create an environment where everybody feels the pressure to sort of do it. Which is why we have 3 products right now. We are hopeful for a 4th. Because our wo is not complete right now, and that also adds into our philosophy a little bit. I'll get into that in a minute. But the idea is keep it simple, keep it 3 steps. So you wash your face, serum, then there's a serum, there's a cleanser, that's step 1, there's a serum, that's step 2, and there's a moisturizer, that's step 3. But even when I am personally talking to people and I figure out that you don't need the serum, I tell them you don't need the serum.
The serum is for the repair part.
It's a little bit of a restorative कह लें इसको. जिसकी ज़्यादा oily skin है, उसके लिए वो थोड़ी ज़्यादा
pigmentation and everything.
Pigmentation, and you wanna even out your skin tone. At the end of the day, we also don't want to take out all function from it, right? A lot of the people, they want even skin tone, and that's not about feeling bright, feeling whiter or browner or anything like that. It's just कि भाई वो hyperpigmentation एक जगह पे है, they don't like that, and so for that, like, I mean, we also don't want to clamp down at everything that a human wants to do, like, you know, कि आप कुछ करो ही मत अपने साथ.
कुछ भी नहीं करो, बस normal रहो.
For that, but again, it's, I personally take it as a consultative sort of process. I talk to you, I understand most of the times, especially for the men that I'm talking to, they don't want the serum, they don't want to do anything with the serum. I'm like, okay, then for
minimum
you,
steps.
what works is सुबह उठ के please मुंह तो धो. You know, so there's the face cleanser, and then the serum, and lastly moisturizer. Our moisturizer, our serum, and our face wash, all 3 things made with the Pakistani climate and the Pakistani skin type in mind. That is also something that's very important. I know मैं बहुत scattered तरीके से information दूंगा, मुझे जो याद आ रहा है मैं उस तरह से.
नहीं, I think we are going in a good flow right now.
That's lovely to know.
I was about to ask if you're comfortable sharing what would be the 4th product. Like, what are you thinking for that?
The 4th product, which has to be there, which we still suggest to people, is the sunscreen.
Sunscreen, yes. I think that's the most important one as well. Like, moisturize करके आप sunscreen लगा के ही जाएं बाहर.
Sunscreen technically is the last step in your which goes hand in hand with the moisturizer because the protective quality of it. And no matter your skin type, no matter where you live, ज़रूरी होता है. वो I think
ऐसे ही है.
We don't take it seriously.
Under the sun, you need to have like a sunscreen, otherwise the UV rays can like definitely damage your skin really bad. So वो तो है. You were telling about why is it like really important for the products to be of that specific area, like Pakistani skin tones के लिए and stuff.
अभी देखिए, so I also divide this into when I got into this industry, I divided people into 2-3 different kind of categories. There are people, probably our mothers, their mothers who have sort of grown up with certain products. They love Nivea. Nivea, I don't know how you pronounce it. Tibet, stuff like
Tibet,
that.
yeah.
So there's gonna be people of that
Yeah.
wheelhouse that won't leave that. They've grown
Loyal
up with like 40, 50, 60 years of using it.
Yeah.
अब आप उनको बताओगे ना what's wrong with its science and this and that, they're gonna be like, hey listen, मुझे कुछ नहीं हुआ. You know,
Makes sense.
What are you saying?
Yeah,
There's no basis for it.
Experience speaks louder.
yeah. So I mean, there's obviously always going to be people who will stick with the conventionals, and there's nothing you can do about it. And honestly, those people are not your market. You don't need to worry about
Of course.
them too much as well. Then there's people who will sort of nip at international products,
Okay.
the Ordinary, the other brands that I
Yeah,
don't want to name. I shouldn't name this one also.
नहीं, that's completely
But क्या कहते हैं? So I mean, the international brands, लोग associate a certain class with it. People associate a certain amount of quality with it. But what they forget is that that's not probably made for here. It's made with a European climate in mind, or it's made with the American climate in mind.
Definitely.
And that's very different. That's very different. वो होता ही है कि you put a really good moisturizer, the one that you get for 12,000-13,000, buy it right now, put it on your skin, go out in Karachi heat, and if it doesn't melt away at 2 p.m. then tell me. I'll buy the next one for you. So you know.
Okay, so
the science behind it is not supporting it because it's not made with the mindset.
all right.
Yes.
So your products, you're saying कि are with that mindset कि अगर तुम लगा के जाते हैं बाहर तो they will not melt.
They will not melt because
Okay.
we have already considered the weather. Karachi, Lahore, Islamabad, overall
They
Pakistan.
will stay longer
there's a-
basically. Duration ज़्यादा रहेगी, ज़्यादा देर तक stick करेगी.
all of that, but also जो उसकी प्राइमरी बेस है ना, it is already lightweight.
Okay.
आप एक वो लगाते हो, you know, there's certain moisturizers, there's certain वो जो आप लगाते हो, it feels like you have a bit of a mask on your face right now. It feels a bit heavy. If you touch it, it's a bit sticky. It kind of stays on your face for longer. So I mean, what our products, they're lightweight, they're gel based. Gel based होने का सबसे बड़ा फायदा ये होता है कि वो इस मौसम के अंदर आपको ज़्यादा देर तक हाइड्रेटेड रखते हैं, ज़्यादा देर तक आपकी स्किन के साथ रहता है.
Definitely, I also prefer gel based वैसे. Yeah.
Right. So our entire range is gel based,
okay.
made with the Pakistani climate
Okay.
and the Pakistani skin types in mind. So
Alright.
that's a little bit of summary. The reason why we don't have our sunscreen out already, by the way, is we haven't been able to perfect it. And जो सबसे बड़ी बात होती है, which I personally, मुझे ये guarantee चाहिए होती है कि this is a product that I would put on my skin. My wife would put on her face, and I would not be concerned about it. And that is a little bit of a difference. Not that I'm getting too dissy about it, but most of your new age skincare companies जो कि XYZ नाम के साथ आपको रोज एक नया ब्रांड दिखता है, what they're doing is they're going to a supplier and they're buying whatever that supplier is already making without them putting in the work to understand the science. They're probably not using it themselves. They don't know what it is. They know the buzzwords. They know how to market it. They know how to sell it. In comparison, what we have done is we spent a long time perfecting the product first, and to give you proof that there is a fourth product that has been in development for 6 months and we still haven't released it, is also sort of like proof that you know it's the real stuff. We are working on it.
Like if you were like directly involved in it, like the whole process and the making of it, which is pretty cool. Like I didn't know that part of it. Like मुझे नहीं पता था. I also thought that you were probably sourcing it from somewhere.
I mean, it is contract manufacturing, but there is a good amount of play that there's in it, and a lot of credit to Dua Sameer, who is our chief of product. So a little bit of the split. मैंने इसके बारे में बात नहीं की. I'm not the sole owner of Basic Skincare. There is Mr. Danial, who is the क्या कहते हैं? He looks at operations. He looks at everything legal. The entire. He's the CEO, right? So he takes care of the business side of things. I brought in the communications,
strategy,
the marketing, the design,
even the sales,
the concept. Sales का अब हम I think वो तीनों में equal split
हो जाता है.
And the last bit, which is the most important bit, I don't know, I should have started with Dua, but Dua Sameer, she is our chief of product. तो उसने the product itself, जिसकी वजह से मैं इतना चौड़े में आके बातें कर रहा हूँ, is because she put in the work.
Next time Dua को भी बुला लेंगे podcast पे.
Inshallah. I think that'd be lovely.
If she's willing to, of course.
Absolutely. And she's also based in Karachi. But not for long. So Dua, by the way, Dua and Danial are also engaged and they're about to be married.
Oh, that's pretty nice.
So we don't have Dua in Karachi for very long.
So I will try to like have her on my podcast like before she leaves.
Absolutely. Okay, back to the products. I mean, that's pretty much all I wanted to say about the product itself. कि हमने किस तरह से how we spent our time, what was the thought process, why we made certain decisions.
Why you made certain, and how did even the basic concept came into like the picture, right? So now let's talk about the part where like you are a marketer, like जितनी भी तुम्हारी 8+ years in marketing, right?
8ish, yeah.
8ish, right? So like a lot of things that you have done for other people, like तुम लोगों ने दूसरे लोगों के brands build करे हैं, उनकी marketing करी है. So what's the difference between like doing it for your own brand, like उसका थोड़ा सा अगर
as a marketer, as an advertiser, this is a challenge to every single marketer and advertiser. Please start something of your own a little bit, have one product,
Definitely.
and you will understand how much fucking bullshit you and I spew in a single day. This has been my biggest struggle.
Okay.
Because a lot of marketing, I'll be as candid as I can.
Yeah,
I think the real ones will agree with me. If you're disagreeing, you're not being real with yourself. But a lot of times we're speaking out of our asses, and it is just a hunch. It's a calculated hunch, but it's a hunch of ये चीज़ इसलिए चलेगी because that's how we're gonna do it.
Okay.
It's guesswork. We all need to be real with ourselves.
Yeah.
A lot of marketing, a lot of advertising is guesswork. It is educated. Sometimes, most of the times it's not. Most of the times it's respecting to the whims and wishes of somebody in a boardroom. But yeah, it's been my biggest struggle. The first 6 weeks of starting it, I did absolutely nothing because anything that I would try to go with, my mind would like, you know, वो एक आपके अंदर से एक ट्रिगर बजता है कि ये तुम पागल बना रहे हो, ऐसे होता थोड़ी है. Because आप स्ट्रेटजी की मीटिंग में आप क्रिएटिव प्रेजेंट करते हुए बेचते हो चीज़ों
बिल्कुल ऐसे
को,
है.
आपको पता होता है आप बेच रहे
बिल्कुल
हो.
ऐसे
यहाँ
है.
पे आप ओवर सेल कर रहे हो, यहाँ पे
yeah.
आप अगले को थोड़ा सा हार्ड सेल
Hard
करके
sell
आपने
करके,
अपने सर से तो उतार दिया. A lot of good work is visually good, or a lot of the good work that works is by chance.
That's true.
To create something successful, and especially when you are associated with it, becomes really hard because there's that inner voice that keeps saying bullshit, bullshit, bullshit to any good idea that you will have. कि अच्छा मैंने क्लाइंट को तो ऐसी बात बोलता तो क्लाइंट तो फ्लैट हो जाता.
बिल्कुल.
लेकिन मैं अपने आप को कन्विंस नहीं कर पा रहा because I know that there's a little bit of
I get it. I completely get it. So basically, being a marketeer, एक side के ऊपर is an advantage for you, but वहाँ पे pressure भी है, like definitely.
There's a lot of pressure.
Yeah.
For the first 6 weeks, like I said, I struggled to start because I couldn't find a starting point. And then I reached out to a bunch of friends who are agency owners. हमारे जितने भी network
Definitely, like you need to have that conversation.
तो मैंने उनको बोला कि भाई give me a starting point, then I'll run with it.
ठीक है.
The reason is कि I cannot zero in on how I want to start talking about. I have an entire communication in my head. जो कि हमने बात की कि ये सिंपल होना चाहिए, क्यों होना चाहिए, इंडस्ट्री कैसी है,
the whole basic aspect of it.
प्रोडक्ट क्या है, प्रोडक्ट की स्पेसिफिकेशंस क्या हैं,
सही है.
एंड ऑल ऑफ दिस आई नो. हाउ डू आई स्टार्ट अबाउट, लाइक हाउ डू आई गो ऑन बेसिकली स्टार्टिंग इट, राइट? अब वो मुझसे नहीं हो रहा था, एंड वो भी हमने एक एजेंसी को बीच में किया, दूसरी एजेंसी को बीच में किया, एंड टाइम बहुत लग रहा था, बैक एंड फोर्थ बहुत हो रही थी, एंड इट वाजंट अंटिल लाइक यू नो वो इंटरनली मैंने बोला फक इट एंड आई जस्ट डू इट माई सेल्फ.
Okay.
एंड सो दैट इज फाइनली हाउ आई फाउंड माई स्टार्ट, एंड वी स्टिल स्ट्रगल विद
You
इट.
did like preferred कि like तुम agencies या किसी professional से करा लो before it came to you.
Yeah, yes, because I was like, I am too close to this emotionally, and I feel like I have so many thoughts about everything that I want to do that maybe somebody who is slightly detached to it needs to start.
Okay.
And then वहाँ पे being the client quote unquote for the first time, I kept getting disappointed, and I wouldn't find the right.
Now you know how it feels
Now
for
I
the
know how it
clients.
feels. Honestly, now I know the answer. Like now I know that feeling जो हम जिससे तुम और मैं बहुत उकताते हैं कि वो ना क्लाइंट बैठे बोलते हैं मजा नहीं आ रहा. I get it now.
Yeah.
I get it now. Sometimes बस मजा नहीं आता.
नहीं आता.
You know? You can't put a pin on it, but sometimes मजा नहीं
that's
आता.
true. That's true.
So I mean, it started from a point of frustration because I was like, okay, मुझे इसको समझाना नहीं आ रहा, इसको मेरी बात समझ नहीं आ रही. I just need to get it on with.
Makes sense.
So that's how it started, and I still kind of sometimes struggle with finding that objectivity because as a creative, you know, we are also very protective of our work.
Makes sense.
And now I have two other partners who sometimes think differently.
Differently, oh
And
yes.
what I thought was super creative,
Yeah.
and like अभी देखो इस पे 50 सीले आएंगे, and I show it to them and they're like, what the fuck is this?
Yeah. I
What were you
completely get
thinking?
it. Yeah.
So you know,
Yeah.
As a marketer, it is slightly difficult to work on something that
So
you
that's a
want to
very
do.
interesting and important aspect that you have mentioned, because a lot of people think that they know marketing even if they haven't studied or work a day in their life in that field.
Yeah.
So how do you deal with this? Like ये जो आपने exact situation बताई, obviously these are your friends, you know
Yeah.
how to talk to them and सारी चीजें, but generally how should someone like deal with this kind of situation?
Yeah, so I mean, we have a clear system
Yeah.
internally. Like we have a little bit of reasoning. मैं अपनी reason देता हूँ, वो अपनी reasoning देते हैं. And at the end of the day, the business goal wins.
Okay.
That's how we make our decision.
Okay.
And so that's something that I was also. By the way, I still have this company, but I also do consultancy work mostly remotely. So I'm still working in the marketing creative field as well, and I've been able to take lessons from this and apply it to there.
Oh.
Where I already kind of had this good enough business acumen where I would मेक श्योर कि अच्छा चलो बिजनेस गोल्स के साथ टाइम कर सके मेरा क्रिएटिव काम, बट अब उसकी एक नेक्स्ट लेवल अंडरस्टैंडिंग और क्लैरिटी आ गई है कि इवन व्हेन आई एम वर्किंग फॉर अदर्स और व्हेन आई एम वर्किंग ऑन दिस, इट नीड व्हाट्स द बिजनेस गोल। राइट बिफोर कमिंग हियर वी वर ऑन अ कॉल एंड वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट कि हम बकरा ईद पे क्या सेल कर रहे हैं, और उसकी पूरी डिस्कशन हो रही थी। तो नेचुरली ना सबके दिमाग में आ रहे थे ये रील बनाएंगे ऐसे होगा, वो रील बनाएंगे ऐसा होगा, एंड somebody had to stop and say कि okay, we'll get to how we market it, but what are we marketing?
What are you marketing exactly?
So it's a fun space to be in.
Makes
it's a fun
sense,
space
makes
to be in.
sense.
I don't know if I've answered the question.
Maybe you did actually. It's fine. Obviously there is no exact answer to it. Like ये solution है. It's something you need to like थोड़ा सा figure out करके, but you have to convey it.
Right.
I also feel like in ways because I am been in this field as well for quite some time, and ये बहुत बड़ा एक issue है जो constantly आता रहता है. Even if people are aware कि this is the creative person, they always have something to say, right? So उसके अंदर फिर यही है कि like if firstly like the other person, like people can give you ideas and can give you suggestions, but then they need to have it in their mind that कि जो end decision ले रहा है उसकी execution पे should be the creative person themselves, right?
Yeah.
So we need to also be open minded about it. कभी-कभी हमें लगता है कि हमारा idea ही सबसे best है, but there might be some loopholes and some things जो कि दूसरा third zoomed out perspective से जब देख रहा है तो is able to understand.
ऐसे है.
So ये situation.
I think the key is to have a good team. Like don't surround yourself with yes men.
Yeah.
And also the opposite. Don't surround yourself with contrarians that will just
say
sort of
anything,
like
yeah.
contradict with you for the sake of it.
For the sake of it.
It's you need a good balance. Sometimes as a creative, 100% there are going to be times where you lose objectivity. Like
yes,
if I am to give a specific example, we were working on इसी की basic campaign where I wanted to go about a post in a certain way, and मतलब मैं बहुत छोटी एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ, पोस्टों पे भी लड़ाई हो जाती है. लार्जर कैंपेन और आपकी डायरेक्शन वगैरह वो तो एक अलग बात है. छोटी छोटी पोस्ट पे भी लड़ाई हो जाती है. Where I wanted to make it a certain way which is more visual heavy.
Okay.
The CEO Daniel was like ठीक है तुम इसमें दिखा रहे हो लेकिन इसमें तुक नहीं है. क्यों? Why this post? उसका कोई जवाब नहीं. I was like but it looks nice. He was like okay but why?
Okay.
And I thought it was fair enough. And the two of us were quibbing about that. एंड दुआ के मैंने सेट कि अच्छा ये जो प्रोडक्ट की वो है ना जो इसमें हाईलाइट करो ये गलत है, ये ऐसे काम करता ही नहीं है.
टेक्निकल एस्पेक्ट
आ गया. So now there's two no's and one yes, and I'm the most stupid one because I was fully convinced this is a really good creative. ना उसमें कोई बिजनेस गोल था और ना उसमें वो प्रोडक्ट की वो बात हो रही थी जो होनी चाहिए. So again it helped that I was surrounded by them. If I was a sole proprietor of this, I 100% would have posted that post.
Yeah. Okay, makes sense.
So
that's another thing कि like you are currently working with like a complete team. I also initially thought कि it's like basically you or like the partner that you have mentioned, Dua. तुम दोनों कर रहे हो, but mashallah se you guys like have a proper team on with you on board.
We're 4 people. Okay. The core of it.
The ones that you mentioned अभी ना.
There's Daniel, the CEO. There's जो operations and sales and legal and बहुत सारा कुछ देखता है. और we'll get to fun stories about that.
Okay.
Then there's Dua, who is the product.
Yeah.
Myself.
Okay.
You already know what I'm doing, and my younger brother Shamurad.
Okay, he's also.
उसका भी shout out बनता है. He is like most of the times he does
the promotional part.
प्रमोशनल पार्ट. हाँ, अगर आपने हमारी रील्स देखी हैं उसमें वही होता है जो बकरा लेके
he's the one.
Okay. But honestly he's our MVP. Like उससे वो भागदौड़ वाले काम ऐसे करके देता है. छोटा भाई भी है ना.
Makes sense. तो उन्हीं से
छोटा भाई भी है तो मैं निकल रहा हूँ कहीं पे, यार ये काम है निपटा लेना मेरे आने से पहले because I don't have time. आज भी यही हुआ. We had to send our product to somebody for promotional reasons and मैं पिछले 2 दिन से बोल रहा था. And अभी भी बिल्कुल बाहर निकलते हुए I was very rushed. मैं उसको चिट पकड़ा के आ गया कि प्लीज वो he was studying, he was in his class.
Okay, he's
उसके एग्जाम्स चल रहे हैं.
Okay.
He's in A levels right now. उसके एग्जाम्स चल रहे हैं.
Very cooperative then.
Yeah. तो मैं बस एक पोस्ट-इट नोट लगाया उसके बराबर में कि once you're done, this is the address.
But he's also like getting a pocket money out of it technically or something like that.
Yeah.
So that's
I mean
and as well as some experience on the other hand.
Experience, pocket money, and the fact that by the way, I'm raised by a single mother. And
okay, mashallah, same by the way.
Yeah. So you know, like
we should talk about this.
I'm also paying for his education and everything.
So he's like a child to you. Yeah.
So, yeah.
Makes sense.
Free labor होना चाहिए, but फिर भी he's getting a pocket money out of it.
That's completely cool. Like really nice कि अगर आप family and friends को भी involve कर सकें and they like obviously in a way glow ups the whole, like bless your business in a way. So coming towards the marketing aspect of yours, which we were talking about initially, क्योंकि you are a marketer, right? And you have already mentioned कि skin care is a very saturated field. Like इतने like लोग आ चुके हैं, experiments चल रहे हैं, like कोई trend आता है ऐसा follow कर रहे होते हैं सारा. So what do you think people need to do, not in just generally in terms of skin care, but saturated markets जो होती हैं, that makes them stand out? Like you can speak from the perspective of being a marketer. How do you make something stand out?
I think that how you stand out is positioning. Because I am, and again, I don't know how helpful this is to say out loud, but I'm sure somewhere in the world this combination of products exists somewhere else.
Yes,
also.
of course.
Somebody who's also made a gel-based cleanser and a gel-based moisturizer.
Yeah.
This is not a completely new product we made, right? But maybe they're selling it with a different pitch. I think what is currently helping us stand out in this market is, by the way, even though Ordinary or Minimal और इस तरह की companies हैं, they also portray themselves as the same kind of message that we have.
Okay.
But you go to their website, you would be so confused. Like Ordinary specifically, अगर हम उसकी बात करें, उनका भी जो
makes sense,
main
the
message
name
है,
Ordinary, yeah.
And so their thought process, the very big scale, वो साल में एक या दो बहुत बड़े ads बनाते हैं जिसमें आप बोलते हो, oh my god, what a thought. Like, क्या सोचा है, हाँ हम इंसान हैं, हम सब कर सकते हैं, हमें सब साथ मिल के कर, so वो emotional कर देता है आपको, but that's not their practice. So I feel like positioning is something that will help you stand out. Branding itself is a pretty easy one. I think बहुत अच्छा डिज़ाइन पैकेजिंग के अंदर अभी तक पाकिस्तान तक नहीं पहुंचा है. So अगर आप 20-30% भी इसमें मेहनत कर लो.
So packaging is also something you are saying is important because initially, like in the 4 P's that we study as well, like तो उसके अंदर packaging comes in towards the end as start में आती है, right?
A product place.
क्योंकि everybody is like product बना लो and then उसको like अच्छे से उसकी सारी technicalities आपके पास होनी चाहिए and then you like package it and sell it, and even if अगर वो basic packaging में भी है, the whole point is कि आपका product जा रहा है, right? So this is an important factor to take in if you're saying packaging is as important as positioning. So
again, थोड़ा सा इसमें there's a little bit of thought that you can put in and that would make your life easy. Is where is the product going to be?
Okay.
So मैंने सबसे ज़्यादा टाइम बाय द वे जो पर्सनली लगाया वो इसकी पैकेजिंग पे लगाया.
अच्छा.
कि every single bit I know is balanced to the dot.
Okay.
बहुत meticulously.
I think it also reflects in the website, right?
Yeah, it does.
So I noticed. Yeah.
Thanks. Thank you. Thank you. You are amongst the 3 people who have actually noticed it. But
please do, guys.
जाओ यार www.basicskincare.co. Go right now and check it out. But the idea is कि and I knew के where our was going to be. The 4 P's में आपने mention किया, the place is the second one.
Yeah.
Where your product is going to be displayed, that matters. So because this is a digital product, मैं ना ही में और यहाँ वहाँ तो अभी रखता हूँ.
अभी store है नहीं, so
ना हमारे वो scale है, ना हमारे वो margins.
It's always better to start online. Makes sense. Yeah.
Starting online, right? As something that could stand out, like. Obviously my leaning was towards a little bit of minimalism, but I wanted that big red, that big orange spot in the middle because that's a bit of a scroll stopper.
Yeah.
I would have gone a little bit even more overboard with the colors, with a little bit of that, if it was going to be placed in some aisle.
Okay.
Because standing out in an aisle of products is a different ball game.
Makes sense.
But then
trade marketing में आ जाता है.
Essentially.
Yeah.
Or standing out on online
is completely different. बिल्कुल.
So there's that aspect. However, we've done local pop-up and we've done the.
Okay. How was the response?
Local pop-up was very nice. Like it was a good learning curve for us. That was our first time taking the products out for a spin. Our first time interacting with the customers in real life and perfecting our pitch. So local was actually our क्या कहते हैं practice match. वो उस पे जाके हमने भंड भी मारे.
Was it this one जो local अभी जिस पे तूफान आ गया था?
वो common था. वो वहाँ पे भी हम थे. वहाँ पे भी हम थे.
हाँ, sorry, that was locate and common. Yeah.
Locate.
अच्छा, but you also were there in the.
Yeah.
Okay.
Local was a couple of months before that, maybe like 2.5 months before that.
That's good.
In February or January.
Okay.
Sometime at the start of this month, start of this year.
So basically, you guys had a lot of learnings through that.
वो हमारा practice ground था. We knew कि हमें इसमें से sales का सोचना
नहीं है अभी. हाँ. Awareness could be one of the objective and the learning.
So इस पे भी आते हैं थोड़ा सा. We'll come slightly later on this, but वही वाली बात के we don't know how to talk to people yet regarding this product because we've done other stuff, but specifically this and how. So that was the place where we found out the combination. किस तरह से बात करनी है, टोन क्या रखनी है, अगले को क्या चीज़ उसके लिए irrelevant है, वो आपके और मेरे लिए तो डिटेल्स में, वो आपके और मेरे लिए डिटेल्स में बहुत ज़्यादा relevant होती है, लेकिन the customer doesn't care. तो उसको क्या बताना है, क्या leave out करना है. So that, and then we were also at Commons. वो Commons में काफी तूफान आया, or we got fun reels out of it that gave us reach and a little bit of sympathy, and that kind of helped.
Makes sense. It always helped. लेकिन like a lot of people got really like उनका काफ़ी डैमेजिंग रहा लाइक एक्सपीरियंस, सो आई होप तुम लोग का लाइक इट वाज़न्ट दैट बैड.
Somewhat. We were able to recover. We did lose a little bit of product, but most of the product itself was safe. We lost a lot of packaging.
Okay.
Packaging, while there is a cost to replace it,
Of
it's
course.
not as much as replacing the
the main
product.
product. Makes sense.
But yeah.
So because we were talking about it, in your opinion, what is more important, like the product or the perception of it?
That's a tough question to ask. That's a tough one. I think there's a market for both.
Of course.
Because perception और branding, अगर हम चलो perception को पूरा branding में ही ले लेते हैं कि उसकी presentation कैसी है, लोग उसके बारे में क्या सोचते हैं,
The main thing is कि लोग क्या सोचते हैं brand के बारे में.
वो आप और मैं फाइज़ा ब्यूटी क्रीम का बहुत मजाक उड़ाएंगे. हमें उसकी पैकेजिंग भी समझ नहीं आएगी, हमें उसकी कम्युनिकेशन भी समझ नहीं आएगी, लेकिन वो बेच रहा है बहुत सालों से.
ऐसे ही 100%.
ऑन द फ्लिप साइड जो हम काम कर रहे हैं और जो हमारी अपनी पूरी पिच होती है उसमें वो ब्रांडिंग भी जरूर, मेरे ख्याल से देयर इज अ मिस, देयर इज एन ऑडियंस फॉर बोथ. देयर आर पीपल हु विल बाय इट solely because they like the branding. We've had customers who've come stop to our stall and be like, "Hey, दूर से बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था, it drew us. Now tell us what it is. We like it, we'll buy it." So that does help as well, because I mean it sort of in different circles. If you are trying to sell to a Pfizer Beauty customer, they will not buy it because of good branding.
But I also have a thought to share on this. Like the question was कि like what's more important, the product or the perception? But if the product,
right.
So if the product is not that great, for instance, even if I like the like it looks nice and everything and I purchase this for the first time, but it doesn't suit me, it's not a nice product, I will not go for it again, right? So in my opinion, I feel like the product is really important as well, because it makes you like recurring sales उसके through आती हैं अगर आपका product अच्छा होता है. So 100%. Do you agree with that?
Yeah, sorry, मैं branding और perception के उसमें I mistook the question, even though I heard it right, but while answering, the product and the perception, the product has to take the cake, because at the end of the day, what am I going to base my communications on? What am I going to base my marketing or any strategy or any tactic on, right? The product definitely needs to be there. It depends. If you're in it for the long haul, we're in it for the long haul. We're going to be here next year. We're going to be here 5 years,
Inshallah,
10 years, 15 years down the line.
Yeah.
There's going to be hustlers out there who will create a skincare company and they want to move the product, and then they want to take a profit and
definitely, but you don't plan on doing that.
So हाँ, so उसमें then perception matters. कितने influencers देके आ गए, किस तरह से उसको present किया, कितने reviews आपने website पर publish किए, माल बेचा और निकल गए.
ऐसे
तो I mean, if you're in it for the long game, then at the end of the day, because you want to sell to a customer at least 2, 3, 5, 10 times in their lifetime, right? So the product needs to be good. If I'm able to convince you today and you buy it because I said a lot of good words and because the packaging was nice, but when you put it on your face and it didn't work for you, you will never buy it again.
ऐसे ही है.
हम कितने भी अच्छे दोस्त हों, आप नहीं लोगे दोबारा.
ऐसे ही 100%, that's true. But then again, I was thinking about, I won't again take the name of that brand, but there's one brand who does like really crazy marketing, and because of that, I believe they have a lot of sales as well. But I've tried that product myself. I would say it's not bad, by the way. It's good, but it's not exceptional. Like it's like any other brand that I would have. But because of their marketing, they have built a perception about their brand, right? So even I was very interested to try it once. Like ये तो करना है. Maybe I would have like flown out because of it. कि नहीं ये तो खाने या जो भी करने जाना है ये तो करना चाहिए. So I also believe like perception is a huge part of it. But like obviously definitely product अगर अच्छा नहीं है तो there's no point like recurring sales आपकी नहीं, revenue generating नहीं बन पाएगा आपके लिए वो.
This aspect, I want to be able to say this to founders, to consumers, to everyone. If you want to build a business, a brand, take it somewhere, you need to find the right community and move with that community and grow inwards, and then that keeps growing outwards in itself. And for that, you need a really good product.
Definitely.
Because I can talk to you very nicely, I can woo you, I can sort of be as charismatic as I can to sort of have that initial spell. But then I can't disrespect the people and their intelligence.
Of course.
They're using it, they know whether or not it's working for them.
And especially जो skincare freaks होते हैं, because skin is one of the most sensitive part of your body, right? So उनको तो they need to be very cautious, and like इसीलिए जो brand loyal हो चुके होते हैं वो they never switch from one brand. Yeah. It's really hard to make them switch basically from one brand to another.
For that, marketing, this is going back to how marketing our own brand. Marketing skincare itself is slightly tricky, because people will try a new clothing company, because if they don't like it, they won't put it on their body, and if they might try to style it 1, 2, 3 different places. उसके ज़्यादा कोई negative वो नहीं है, शर्ट डालेंगे अच्छी नहीं लगेगी, उतार के कुछ और पहन लेंगे.
बिल्कुल.
कोई भी और प्रोडक्ट है, देयर इज दैट रिप्लेसिबिलिटी के ओके इफ इट वर्क्स फॉर यू इट डजंट। विद दिस देयर इज दैट फैक्टर अटैच के कोई इरिटेशन हो गई, कोई रिएक्शन आ गया,
Definitely.
सो पीपल on the first exposure will never buy skincare. So our first entire process has been about building that trust.
Makes sense.
And that trust can only be developed with the community. So we have only done community things at large right now.
Yeah.
Where even at those community things, we're not trying to sell you anything.
Okay.
Come try it.
Yeah.
Have a look at us. See us having fun. Look at our community. Believe in that. Believe in the message. And then later buy it. So हमने sorry.
Because you're talking about community, I would really like to know, okay, which kind of community are you trying to build through Basic, like the skincare brand?
The kind of community that we're trying to build, they have similar values to us. Progressive people,
Okay.
here for an impact,
Yeah.
believe in that message, have a good sort of outlook towards the world. They are hopeful. They want to make this world a better place.
Okay.
Yeah, the world is a bit of a dumpster fire right now.
Yeah.
And so the community that we want to build, they buy into that message at large of
Makes
leaving an
sense.
impact,
Yeah.
of leaving a good footprint. What we do for this is how we opened. I have a friend called Hassan Halai.
Okay.
He has a wonderful pizzeria called Buruz.
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 Buruz means he's Bora. उनकी लैंग्वेज में गुजराती में बुरू इज लाइक बेडू लाइक ब्रो
Okay.
So,
okay. Interesting.
and again you get the idea,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah.
So it's a wonderful pizza place, by the way. Would find one. You
I
should all
haven't
go
tried
as
it,
well.
but I will definitely do that. Yeah.
वो उसको भी try करें.
आपने सही
And
इनको भी मार्केट कर दिया इस
इनको भी
पॉडकास्ट में. Okay.
that's the idea, right?
Yeah,
That's the
for sure,
community.
that's the idea.
larger
Maybe
point
I will
of-
have him on the podcast as well.
Oh, you absolutely should. But again, that is tying into my larger point.
Makes
We started
sense.
there.
Yeah. This is the kind of community that you want to build.
तो हमने उसकी पिज्जा शॉप पे एक पॉपअप खोला where
Yeah.
I invited my closest friends and
अच्छा,
family.
okay.
And it was a bit of a special access event.
Okay.
Okay, only people we know and people that those
Exclusivity
people
थी
know.
basically, हाँ,
वो-
सही है.
But it was meant to be slightly open because हमारे immediate लोगों को हमने बोला कि तुम अपने जानने वाले
को भी
because we sort of
सही.
inviting them
Obviously
in.
you want people as
We
well,
wanna-
so makes sense.
we want to show them the what world we have built, what the ideas and stuff like that. Pizzas were on us, peach iced teas were on us.
अच्छा.
That was the idea.
I wasn't
Yeah.
invited to free pizzas.
You came into my loop shortly
late,
after that.
yeah.
Shortly after that. The next one you'll
Next
get.
one, done.
But so I mean that's the idea. मतलब वहाँ पे हमने वही अपनी we were talking a little bit about what our belief system is, why
Yeah.
we created that, and उसमें बाकी बातें भी आ जाती हैं. मतलब मैं थोड़ा सा I don't want to get too political here also, but at the end of the day, it's always a good time to be political.
Okay.
Free Palestine. The idea is that we want people who
Yeah.
also think like that, because sure there are good alternatives to our product, but they are somehow going to be directly or indirectly supporting a genocide, supporting a kind of
Definitely,
a kind of force that works against us globally all the time. तो वो एस्पेक्ट भी है.
बिल्कुल.
उसके बाद सस्टेनेबिलिटी वाला एस्पेक्ट भी है, उसके बाद एक्सेसिबिलिटी वाला एस्पेक्ट भी है, और उसके बाद वो वाला एस्पेक्ट भी है कि भाई अपनी सेल्फ इमेज को इतना टार्निश मत करो.
बिल्कुल.
लाइक don't buy everything because they told you it's going to make your life better.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, just
Makes
do what
sense.
works for you and find that work. And so हर चीज़ ना घूम फिर के एक कम्युनिटी से कनेक्ट होती है, और कम्युनिटी वाली चीज़ घूम फिर के इम्पैक्ट से कनेक्ट होती है, और वो कनेक्ट होती है कि भाई अपने आप को इतना इनसिक्योर मत रखो. फील सेफ, यू आर ओके, यू आर नॉर्मल, नॉर्मल इज फाइन, बेसिक इज फाइन. दैट्स द आइडिया. Which is why
Well answered, by the way. Yeah, I really like the answer that you have given. इसी के अगर हम थॉट को प्रोलॉन्ग करते हैं, कमिंग टुवर्ड्स ये कि जो आजकल ट्रेंड चल रहा होता है, आपने इसकी बात करी, राइट? सो देयर लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ ट्रेंडिंग एंड वायरल स्टफ दैट्स गोइंग ऑन, एंड एज अ मार्केटर आपकी फर्स्ट इंस्टिंक्ट एंड थॉट ये होती है कि मेरा जो प्रोडक्ट है या फिर मैं कुछ ऐसा करूँ कि जो वायरल हो जाए. सो इन दैट सिनेरियो, इन दैट केस, how do you manage to stay grounded in the brand identity that you have built for your brand?
I am not trying to be viral yet.
Okay.
And the reason for that is कि again, I think मेरी personal वो ये है.
Yeah.
Daniel might disagree a little bit because again he's the CEO. He
Of
wants
course.
to see the numbers.
Of course,
like
yeah.
वो मैं उसको I'm not faulting him for that.
Yeah.
But as personally as somebody who is creating this almost as like my baby, as my child, I'm being very careful about where information is flowing, who I'm talking to, what kind of conversation is happening around my product. Because अगर ये viral हो गया और मेरे control से बाहर चला गया, तो फिर then I'm not controlling the narrative about it. फिर चार लोग उसके बारे में किसी और तरह से भी बात करें, which is probably not something I want to project.
So you don't want it to be out of control, basically.
I don't. Only because I want to be particular about the impact. मुझे वैसे कोई डर नहीं है.
Integrity basically ना यार.
Integrity वैसे मुझे वैसे कोई डर नहीं है. मेरे प्रोडक्ट में ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है जिसको आप नेगेटिवली डिस्टोर्ट करके वो कर सकते हो। तो मुझे मेरा फेयर वो नहीं है,
बिल्कुल।
मेरा फेयर ये है कि मैंने आज किसी इन्फ्लुएंसर को दिया, उस इन्फ्लुएंसर ने ये बोल के आगे रील बना दी कि भाई गोरे हो जाओगे, और उस पर 6 मिलियन व्यूज आ गए।
Yeah.
आई डोंट वांट पीपल कमिंग टू माय डोरस्टेप टू गेट गोरा,
makes
बिकॉज दैट्स नॉट व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग यू।
Yeah,
मैं आपको नहीं बोल रहा भाई आपको गोरा होना चाहिए,
Makes sense.
या दिस इज समथिंग यू शुड इवन वांट, यू नो। मैं आई एम टेलिंग यू ब्राउन, बी प्राउड।
बिल्कुल।
आई एम टेलिंग यू बी बेसिक, बी whoever you are, and whatever you are is supposed to be the
Makes
perfect
sense.
thing.
Makes sense.
So in that sense, I'm a bit particular, but I know at the end of the day, this is not always going to be the case. At some point, it's going to leave the ambit of it being so close and personal to me.
Yeah.
And I'm mentally preparing myself for that.
That's really nice. And what do you think are the biggest misconceptions that people have about skincare these days?
दो तीन हैं। एक तो मतलब इंग्रेडिएंट बेस्ड भी है मेरे दिमाग में, आई डोंट नो दैट वो शायद थोड़ा ज़्यादा स्पेसिफिक जवाब हो जाए।
Okay.
बट द बिगेस्ट मिसकंसेप्शन इज वही कि जो उनको क्लेम बता के बेचा जा रहा है ना, वो तो बेचारे वही बिलीव करेंगे। अब आपको किसी ने बोला कि 2 हफ्ते में आप गोरे हो जाओगे,
Yeah.
और आपकी स्किन बिल्कुल ग्लास जैसी क्लियर हो जाएगी, तो अब वो वाली मिसकंसेप्शंस हैं। बेसिकली पीपल आर बीइंग लाइड टू,
Yeah.
एंड दे आर बिलीविंग इन दोस मिसकंसेप्शंस, बट आई वुडंट पुट दैट ऑन द पीपल।
Okay.
लाइक एन एवरेज ह्यूमन बीइंग
Okay.
will believe what is being told to them from 60 different places.
Yeah.
अब वो influencers और मार्केट की जो मूवमेंट है और बड़े बड़े बिलबोर्ड्स और उसमें जो आपको पुश किया जा रहा है, सो या आई मीन लॉट ऑफ द टाइम्स, सॉरी
नहीं I'm actually मैं ये पूछने वाली थी कि like because your brand is all about being basic, like right, and making things easier and simplified. So what in your opinion, like a new person, like someone who's new to skincare, उनकी first maybe products क्या होने चाहिए, या where should they start from, like?
I think I swear I'm not selling my products, but I think the 3 must-haves. इसमें से एक मेरा product है भी नहीं.
Okay, what do you mean by that?
You need a good face wash,
Yeah.
because I think that's where it starts.
Okay.
आपकी
But
skin-
face wash is basic product, right?
Face wash is basic. You need a good moisturizer, especially हमारे climate में, and you need sunscreen.
बिल्कुल।
Serum I have skipped because I mean वो भी ज़रूरी है, जिसके लिए ज़रूरी है उसके लिए ज़रूरी है, लेकिन जिसके लिए नहीं है मैं बिला वजह नहीं बेच रहा उसको।
Makes sense.
But I think ये सब तो आपको you have to the first 3 things you need to figure out is what's a face wash that works for you, what's a moisturizer that works for you, and what's a sunscreen that works for you. You need to figure this out.
Okay.
As somebody who's just coming in, and I have a little bit of myth buster जो मैं बोल देता हूँ, वो misconception वाला जवाब भी हो जाएगा और ये भी हो जाएगा कि फेस वॉश जो है ना वो बस लाइट वेट होना चाहिए और वो इतना होना चाहिए कि आपकी स्किन को clear out करे,
Clean कर दे बस।
without taking away your skin barrier, without getting too harsh, stuff like that. उसमें किसी एक्टिव की ज़रूरत नहीं है, उसमें किसी किस्म के एक्सट्रैक्ट की ज़रूरत नहीं है. All of that is just marketing. उसमें कोई आपको बोल रहा है विटामिन सी है, या उसमें कोई आपको बोल रहा है नायासिनामाइड है, उसमें आपको उसका कोई फायदा ही नहीं है. ये सैलिसिलिक might still do something, but the active ingredients जो हैं उसका जो क्या कहते हैं फ़ायदा है ना वो फेस वॉश में नहीं है.
Okay.
क्योंकि आपने लगाया 30 seconds में स्क्रब आउट कर दिया.
Makes
That active did not sit on your skin. So face wash, buy the simplest one, buy the most gentle, lightweight one. Don't go for anything extra in your face wash, because that is just marketing.
Makes sense. And now that we're talking about these products, like, would you be interested to go a little in detail about the 3 products that Basic have right now? उनके बारे में अगर if you can give more detail.
So just to summarize our entire product range, which is kind of why I was starting to get into the details of the face wash as well. Our face wash rather simple and by design. Like people ask me कि इसके अंदर तो कोई खास चीज़ है ही नहीं. And the reason for that is very intentional, because आपके face wash का काम होता है सिर्फ आपके स्किन के ऊपर से जो सिटी का ग्राइम है, जो स्वेट है, जो डस्ट है, इसको स्ट्रिप ऑफ करे, लेकिन आपके स्किन बैरियर को भी साथ में ना उखाड़ दे. कभी कभार वी यूज फेस वॉश, वो आपके ना स्क्वीकी सी फीलिंग आती है कि हर जगह से स्ट्रेच हो रहा होता है आपका फेस. दैट फीलिंग इज एक्चुअली नॉट अ गुड इंडिकेशन फॉर योर स्किन. सो आवर्स इज जेल बेस्ड, लाइट, does not do a lot, and that's a good thing.
Yeah.
If somebody is telling you your face wash has vitamin C, your face wash has X, Y, Z, that's not helping your face, because वो 30 seconds तक आपकी skin पे and then you wash it off. तो ज़्यादा फायदा नहीं है.
Okay.
Then is our serum. Again, it's a 3-in-1 serum and made by design, because we could have gone the route and sold you 3 different serums, but we're trying again. Everything that we talked about previously in this podcast will tell you why there's this one.
Okay.
That has niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and alpha-arbutin. So it's a simple line. I want to talk about it, and I want to talk about exactly what the flow is, which is kind of why I started talking about the face wash thing slightly earlier as well. The face wash is very simple by design. So that's the first step. It's supposed to take off grime, it's supposed to take off the city pollution, the dust, sweat, वगैरह, everything from your face without doing too much. And I actually get asked समटाइम्स कि इसमें कोई खास इंग्रेडिएंट नहीं है,
अच्छा।
इसमें तो कोई स्पेशल फीचर नहीं है जो आपने बड़े बड़े करके डब्बा पे लिखा हुआ है। एंड द रीजन फॉर दैट इज दैट इट्स इंटेंशनल। एक फेस वॉश का काम सिर्फ जेंटली आपके फेस को क्लेंस करना है।
बिल्कुल
वो जो कभी कभार हम फेस वॉश यूज करते हैं कोई और जो स्क्वीकी सी फीलिंग, स्ट्रेची सी फीलिंग आती है फेस पे, दैट्स एक्चुअली नॉट द बेस्ट काइंड ऑफ थिंग टू हैपन टू योर स्किन।
Okay.
So again, it is intentional that our face wash is very simple and it does minimally exactly what it's supposed to do.
Okay.
Then comes our serum. It's a 3-in-1. It could have been 3 different serums as well, but the reason why it's not is everything that we've talked about in this podcast so far. We're trying to be very careful, very intentional, and trying to take care of you, not empty your pockets. So it's just one serum, and that does a bunch of stuff. It has niacinamide at 2%,
Okay.
which at this point it helps with maintenance. It
Yeah.
helps with your sebum production. तो
Production.
उससे आपकी स्किन कितनी ऑयली है और नहीं ऑयली है उसका लेना देना होता है.
Okay.
Then there is alpha arbutin.
Yeah.
वो आपकी स्किन टोन को इवन करने के लिए होता है. It's not my most favorite part of the product,
Okay.
but some people want that, and I'm happy to give them that as well. But personally, जैसे मैं अपनी politics और अपनी personals की बात करूँ तो these are things that don't matter to me कि अगर आपकी कहीं हाइपर पिगमेंटेशन है या कहीं पे
Okay.
एक्स्ट्रा स्पॉट है, कोई मार्क है दैट पीपल वांट टू गेट रिड ऑफ, तो दैट डज अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ दैट. आपकी स्किन टोन को इवन कर देता
ठीक
है.
है.
एंड बी माइंडफुल, आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि ब्राइट कर देता है, गोरा
Yeah.
नहीं करता
No,
है,
no, no.
बेहतर नहीं करता है, इवन आउट कर देता है.
Yeah.
मैं आई एम बीइंग वेरी केयरफुल विद माय वर्ड्स.
Yeah, makes sense.
एंड द लास्ट इज hyaluronic acid, जिसको this is a bit of a scam that people use in this industry.
Okay.
Hyaluronic acid is in pretty much everything because it is a base agent.
Yeah.
It hydrates your skin, and that is also going to be in your moisturizer.
Yeah.
So you don't need a separate hyaluronic acid serum ever.
Interesting.
Ever.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
Didn't know that. Like I obviously knew कि like it's in different products, but जो separately अगर आप उसको अलग से बेच रहे हैं तो वो it's not needed in that way.
हाँ वो आपके आप just get a good moisturizer and that will do like
That will do the work, yeah. Okay.
या तो कोई ऐसा प्रोडक्ट सीरम का ही ऐसा प्रोडक्ट लें जिसके साथ कोई और एक्टिव भी है. That's not like solely hyaluronic acid on your face. I don't think you need.
Okay.
Especially हमारे स्किन टाइप्स के लिए.
Okay.
Because हमारे जो बने हुए बाकी प्रोडक्ट्स हैं उस सब में भी हमारा जो मॉइस्चराइजर उसमें भी है ही. So
अच्छा,
अगर आप हमारे प्रोडक्ट्स बाय करते हैं तो मैं उसलिए भी बता रहा हूँ.
ठीक है.
प्लीज हमारे प्रोडक्ट्स बाय. But lastly the
He's not
moisturizer.
selling at all.
But lastly, the moisturizer.
Yeah.
The moisturizer is our hero product.
Okay.
It is something unique.
Yeah.
It is not something widely available in local companies. 2-3 महंगे वाले हैं, लेकिन वो महंगे वाले हैं और हमने उसको locally बना लिया है
जबरदस्त.
successfully. It is lightweight, it is gel based, and it doubles as a what do you call it? As a primer for your makeup as well.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
And our face wash also. ये मेरी बीवी ने टेस्ट करके मुझे बताया. Our face wash is also a really good makeup remover.
Makeup. अच्छा, makeup remover. Okay,
also.
okay.
Yeah. So that's something I did not know. वो उसने मुझे बताई है.
सही
And that was not intentional, but it does work.
Okay.
But it does work like that. So I mean that's our range, guys. That's our range. 3 simple products. I've told you what it does. We try to keep it simple, and it does the job really well.
That's pretty amazing, and I wish कि आपका जो fourth product है वो भी काफ़ी जल्दी आ जाए so that we are able to get the whole range एक साथ ही. And thank you so much for explaining them so well, firstly. And guys, please do buy it because why not? Like if the one thing that I have learned as being as a girl is that like makeup and skincare is very expensive, and secondly you do need really good products to ensure कि जो आपकी sensitive skin है वो अच्छे से cater हो रही है, rather than testing out like various kinds of different products and ending up with different kinds of skin diseases and issues, right? So moving forward, let's go to the next segment. Okay, so we have talked about Shahrukh like almost like the whole brand की काफ़ी हमने बात कर ली है, हमने तुम्हारे कैरियर के बारे में काफ़ी बात की है, which is marketing and creative side. Now coming to you, like obviously it all comes together, but like specifically you, when you started this brand, I'm sure there must be times जहाँ पे तुम्हें लग रहा होगा कि you wanted to give up. Like, were there any those times, and how did you deal with them?
Those times are still here. Running a business in Pakistan is incredibly tough. There is almost no support from I don't want to say who, but you know. I don't want to say.
Yeah, we all get it, yeah.
Yeah. But you know, so yeah, pretty much the systems are set up to work against you, which is kind of annoying. And so there are moments जब आप ऐसे logistical मसले में फंस जाते हो and you kind of just want to give up कि यार मैंने क्यों ले ली ये बल्ली अपने सर पे, अच्छा खासा 9 to 5 चल रहा था.
Makes sense.
But so I mean, there are those moments, and there. Yeah, I mean that's my answer. I don't want to get into the details.
You don't want to get into
You know I can get in trouble.
Makes sense. That you have a lot of like partners and teammates as well.
Yeah.
So but coming to the aspect, what keeps you going when you are you're faced with a bad day, or you like the day is not going as per your plan, yeah, things are not moving as per your plan. So what keeps you going?
अच्छा, तो मैं ऊपर वाले का भी थोड़ा सा रेलेवेंट जवाब देते हुए एक ऑल इनकम्पसिंग जवाब दे देता हूँ.
ठीक है.
आई थिंक वी somehow cracked a good team, like a good bunch of people that are on there. And इसमें जो हमारे 4 core लोग हैं वो तो हैं ही. And there's obviously my wife who also has her opinions, sort of gives me support. And our friend circle जो एक immediate friend circle है, ये एक immediate friend circle में से ही मेरे दोस्त हैं, दुआ और दानियाल जिसका वो बना. So और मतलब we have a good support system. And जो bad days होते हैं उसमें फिर यही लोग काम आते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
Funny thing about it is sometimes the bad days because of like मेरी और दानियाल की कोई argument हो गई या do and I didn't see eye to eye on something. तो वो दिन मेरे लिए ज़्यादा बुरे होते हैं. Because otherwise what we have to face together against a third person is easy because we have support. मेरा दिन खराब हो जाता है, और मेरा दिन नहीं, मेरा कभी-कभार हफ्ता खराब हो जाता है जिस दिन मेरी दानियाल से argument हो जाए या we don't see eye to eye on something, and that just it puts me in such a negative space that I don't know, should I leave this? Is that simpler? But yeah, I mean, what helps is the same people, and a little bit of the fact कि हमने इसको एक impact और एक purpose के साथ attach कर दिया है. तो वो एक थोड़ी सी motivation बन जाती है. Okay, there's a larger goal here, there's a larger mission here. Maybe for that, I should keep going. That
definitely makes sense. And now that you're talking about it, where do you see like Basic going like in 5 years or so?
Basic, it's I want to when I say Basic, तो you guys just know skincare right now. मेरे दिमाग में इसका एक बहुत बड़ा जाल है. It's much more. And I don't mean like moving laterally कि बहुत सारे businesses खोल लूँगा and stuff. But the idea is कि Basic का impact और Basic का जो एक network है वो इतना big enough हो जाए.
Okay.
For Basic skincare, I have a plan as well. This year is for us to for people to trust us, for people to believe in us, for people to like the product. The next 2 years are probably going to be about spreading as far and wide as we can within Pakistan. In the next 5 years, the hopes and aspirations are that we are global, and that's the big idea here. उसके साथ obviously और भी चीज़ें हैं. The concept that is Basic. मेरा future plan ये है कि और लोग भी इसको adopt करके अपने business भी खोलें. हमारी भी हों, सिस्टर कंपनीज हों, जहाँ पे बेसिक में और बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं. मैं अभी बोलूँगा तो कल कोई खोल के बैठेगा.
नहीं, definitely you shouldn't mention everything, but like that's great.
But if somebody took this ideology and created something of their own, I think that for me personally that is also a success metric.
That's a really nice mindset, because a lot of people would not like it. Like if you understand what I mean, like अगर कोई similar चीज़ कोई खोल लेता है तो mostly people are little agitated and frustrated कि same चीज़ें क्यों कर रही हैं. But this is like a really nice mindset के, क्योंकि जितना आप दूसरों के लिए खुश होते हो उतनी I personally believe बरकत आती है आपके अपने काम के अंदर भी. So
और दूसरी भाई हमने मेरा जो एक पर्सनल वो है ना, I'm not the most patriotic person also. I am a strong critic of where we live in. मैं हर बात पे कमेंट करना पसंद करता हूँ. But at the end of the day मुझे छोड़ के कहीं बाहर सेटल नहीं होना है. तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि मेरे आसपास ऐसी कम्युनिटी हो जो कि और हिस्सों में, उससे मेरा भी फायदा होगा ना. अगर कोई ऐसी चीज़ की कंपनी खोल ले जिसमें मेरा भी इस्तेमाल होता है और उसकी आइडियोलॉजी है कि यार ये लोगों की बेहतरी के लिए है और हम लोगों को चूना लगाने की कोशिश नहीं करते. अगर हमारे आगे पीछे 10-15 ऐसे बिजनेसेस हों काम की चीज़ों के जो आपको चूना नहीं लगाना चाह रहे और आपको एक्चुअली बेनिफिट करना चाह रहे हैं और इनसिक्योरिटी रिमूव कर रहे हैं और ये सब, तो दैट्स अ विन यार. मतलब आई वांट एवरी बिजनेस टू थिंक लाइक दैट. आइडियली तो एवरी बिजनेस शुड थिंक लाइक दैट,
बट मोस्टली नहीं होता ऐसा. सो
फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड. आई थिंक द यंगर जनरेशन, द न्यू क्रॉप ऑफ फाउंडर्स,
फॉर श्योर, जेन ज़ीज़ आर लाइक वे डिफरेंट देन द प्रीवियस जनरेशन एंड द प्रीवियस बिहेवियर्स एंड जो भी हम लोग की चलती आ रही है. सो होपिंग फॉर द बेस्ट डेफिनेटली. सो लाइक नाउ कमिंग बैक टू योर लाइक यू वर टॉकिंग अबाउट यू, राइट? लाइक यू वर अ पर्सन who was quite different when you started off, right? और जब आप अपना एक खुद का बिजनेस कर रहे होते हैं, चीज़ें खुद से मैनेज करनी होती हैं, तो a lot of things change inside you, right? So what would you say was one of that noticeable thing that you saw in yourself that changed once you started your own thing?
I think as a creative, it really humbled me.
Okay.
I thought I was the shit. I thought every single idea that I have is supposed to take you to the moon, and that's not true.
Okay.
That is something that I have learned about myself.
That's a good realization. Definitely, ये तो ज़रूरी है आना चाहिए.
मैं humble हूँ, obviously अपने creative side से humble हूँ. In terms of बाकी चीज़ें, my people skills have always been good. I've been a good manager. I know this. I'm not bragging even. It's just a.
It's good to know about yourself,
good
so
to know.
it's definitely
So
important.
मेरी people skills वगैरह वो सब अच्छी है. I think वो sharp हुई हैं. So that's a little bit of change. बाकी other than that, I think.
You will see it with time as
With
well.
time
Like
as well.
time will continue to keep teaching you different stuff. But
That's true.
what would be that one thing that you also unlearned about yourself as well?
Ooh, that's a good question. What did I unlearn about myself? I think.
Was there anything like that?
100%.
Probably,
100%.
yeah.
I think I'm currently in the process of it. I am very hot-headed, and I am usually I have had the cushion around me.
Okay.
You know Shayan as well. हमारे साथ काम करता
Yeah,
था.
yeah.
So Shayan is famously known as my cushion कि मैं जहाँ पे बड़ मेरा होता है तो वो
Yeah.
समेटता है मुझे कि
Okay.
मैं उसके सामने कर देता हूँ. And then he says कि अच्छा channel all of this out. एंड ये सब डिलीट करो अपनी स्क्रिप्ट में से, ये नहीं बोलने की जरूरत. वो सब मुझे नेचुरली आना शुरू हो गया है. आई थिंक आई हैव स्टार्टेड एडिटिंग माई सेल्फ कि कौन सी चीज़ कब बोलना अप्रोप्रिएट है, कौन सी चीज़ मैं जज्बाती हो रहा हूँ. आई थिंक दैट इज समथिंग आई एम स्टिल अनलर्निंग. बट आई एम वेरी इमोशनल पर्सन.
Makes sense. So response time and responding basically you're working on.
Because
that's very important.
In terms of conflict, जहाँ पे तो अच्छी चीज़ है वहाँ पे तो आप जितना बह जाओ कोई मसला नहीं है ना.
बिल्कुल ऐसा ही.
खुशी में आपने किसी को कितने भी ओवर शेयर कर दिया उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता. लेकिन
लीडर होने से भी पड़ जाता है कभी
पड़ जाता है. ट्रू. मेरे साथ इत्तेफाक हुआ. But in terms of conflict, how to control myself and to stay on top of my emotions is something I am trying to unlearn.
Definitely, that's a really very good thing, and I think I'm on the same page with you on that as well. So as a founder, because you are one,
I am. It is true.
That's true.
Did you guys not know?
Now you know. So should you become your brand or should you keep yourself separated from it?
That's a tough one. I think this is already a meme as well, but owning a brand will make you stand in places awkwardly like you're in a really toxic relationship sometimes.
Yeah.
On an escalator you're just like कि मैं जल्दी से ये मसला देख लूँ.
Exactly.
ससुराल में बैठे हुए मैं ये काम कर रहा होता हूँ.
Exactly.
कभी एक्चुअली बाहर डिनर पे दोस्तों के साथ या फैमिली के साथ हो, you'll find yourself in the most unlikeliest of places, glued to your screen trying to solve a problem जो कि अभी आ गया है. I think balance तो होना चाहिए. मतलब आप 9 to 5 छोड़ते हो वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस के लिए.
बिल्कुल.
और फिर there is you pay a heavy price for it. Obviously वो it doesn't happen as naturally and as easily. आपको ये सारी चीज़ें भी समझ आती हैं कि बहुत मुश्किल है इसको बैलेंस करके चलना. But the easiest answer would be कि have a balance, but I don't think that's possible. I think you sort of have to become a little bit of the brand. Sometimes आपका दिन जैसा भी चल रहा है, आपके ऊपर जितने भी काम हैं, लेकिन अगर 11 बजे आपको कॉल आ रही है कि ये मसला क्या करना है, तो you kind of have to park everything aside and be like कि अच्छा इसकी ये कर दोगे. So very difficult to say that have a balance, but I think if you're passionate about it, you don't mind it a lot as well. And I'm not saying you should be passionate about it or you shouldn't be. I think if you are passionate about it, then you will naturally find yourself doing a lot.
वो आप वो कहते हैं ना कि आपको फिर वो काम नहीं लगता. It comes to you directly.
Yeah.
Makes sense. Now that we have been talking about some serious stuff like you as well and your career and your brand and everything, I just want to have like a fun segment with you. It will be like rapid fire round जो Karan Johar का होता था. So are you into it? Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay. So I will be asking you like questions and you have to answer really quickly whatever comes to the top of your mind and very honestly as well. Okay.
Sounds good.
Okay. Perfect. So let's get into it. My first question is overhyped skincare ingredient. What is one overhyped?
Hyaluronic acid. We talked about this.
We talked about it. Yes. Okay. The second question is one underrated skincare habit.
One underrated skincare habit.
Yeah. Underrated.
One underrated skin. Honestly, surprisingly, washing your face. Like,
What?
not a lot of people are washing their faces.
More common in boys.
Yeah. Because मेरा interactions are. I get to talk to most. People are not washing their faces. I mean,
Guys,
it's
you
not
should definitely
as
wash
common as
your
you
face,
think.
Yeah. Like, how will you sell the product? I think that can be one campaign.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Boys, wash your face. Boys, wash your face.
Third question is minimal routine or 10-step routine in skincare.
I think 20-step routine. I really like to go overboard.
And then he has a brand called Basic, right?
No, 3 steps enough.
Fourth question is branding is greater than product or product is greater than branding?
Oh. I think a bit of both.
Bit of both.
I think a bit of both.
Makes sense. Next question is one marketing trend you don't believe in.
Should I say it? It's controversial.
I'm also interested to know.
I don't like UGC.
You don't like UGC?
I don't like UGC.
Why?
I think UGC was supposed to be an organic thing.
Yeah.
It is now an industry.
Yes.
मैं आपको प्रोडक्ट भेजूँ, आप उसकी तारीफ
It's
करें.
become a field now. You know,
फिर-
people are going like specializing into it and
और
stuff.
इतना ज़्यादा बड़ा रेंट है इसके ऊपर. मेरे पास दिन में 100 मैसेज आते हैं UGC क्रिएटर्स के.
Okay.
और
Yeah, I get it.
200,
I get it.
300, 400 followers. I'm getting a bit bitchy here,
But your brand is product is exactly something which they can create
they
stuff
can
on,
create.
right? So
But so
makes
they
sense.
reach out to me saying कि send us your product, we'll create an engaging reel, we have an engaged audience, and then
Okay.
ये होगा और वो होगा और आपका product का फायदा होगा, and they will have 300-400 followers. My personal account has 700-800 followers, so sometimes it doesn't. It's not even that much. The idea is कि
Yeah.
I think it
I
shouldn't be
get
an
what
industry.
you're saying. Obviously,
It shouldn't
I
be
get
an industry.
So it
shouldn't
started
be-
off being like authentic, original reviews of people, and now it has just become like fake reviews.
It's just
basically.
become fake reviews.
Even if something is just not nice, like people are promoting it. Again, a brand is coming into my mind. I can't name why we can't name stuff over here. Like we need to be very politically correct. So, but we
But-
will talk about it off screen.
हाँ, उसके बारे में बात करेंगे. इसका छोटा सा rant रह गया मेरा. मैं ये पूरा करना
This was
चाहता हूँ.
rapid fire, but yeah, sure.
Sorry, yeah.
No,
Sorry.
no, no.
But
it's
we'll get around to it.
Yeah.
I think that वही है कि अब now we're even struggling with who to send our product to, what value they can bring, can they actually bring value. उससे वो भी देखना होता है कि conversion होगी, sale होगी, नहीं होगी. लेकिन generally community को कोई फायदा हो रहा नहीं है. अब आपने अभी काम शुरू किया और आप सिर्फ लोगों को सारा दिन मैसेज करते हो कि प्लीज प्रोडक्ट भेजो, प्रोडक्ट भेजो. ये नहीं होना चाहिए guys. Don't turn this into an industry. It's supposed to be an organic. It says user generated content. So if you're not the user, then you shouldn't generate the content.
That's actually true. At least जो आप खुद यूज करते हो या फिर something which you are more expertise towards, उसका आप फिर भी कर सकते हो. Like yeah, makes sense. Like skincare जो influencers होते हैं, I believe they are doing a fine job with that. They
उनका
test the
niche है ना
product
भाई.
and then they
बिल्कुल.
give like honest reviews about it. Like it's good, bad or anything like that. Makes sense. So coming to the next question, a brand you admire and why?
A brand I admire and why?
Yeah.
Wow. And it has to be local?
It can be any.
That's not very rapid of me.
I would have said take your time, but it's technically. It's fine if you want to skip the question.
I have a lot of them. There's this brand called Paul2.
Okay.
It's adoption, pet adoption agency
okay.
kind of a situation.
And why do you like that brand?
Because purpose.
Okay,
Because
purpose, it has
they're trying
purpose.
to.
The same thing which you were talking about that you want for your brand as well. Makes sense.
बिल्कुल.
Makes sense.
बेजुबान जानवरों का ख्याल रख रहे हैं, उनको
Definitely.
कहीं पे तो इस तरह मैंने क्योंकि अब ये नर्व हिट किया ना, तो ये ACF वगैरह जो all animal shelters are very close to my heart, but Paul2 because they've created a platform जहाँ पे जिनके पास घर नहीं है to find them a house.
Okay.
And I think that's a lovely idea.
That's lovely. That's definitely. So coming to the next question, what mistake first-time founders definitely make?
Having really strong opinions and a very clear strategy without knowing what you're selling. So know your product first, build a really good product, and then do everything else.
Okay. You're saying they have everything else ready and prepared, but not the product itself.
या तो प्रोडक्ट पे मेहनत नहीं की होती,
Yeah.
या प्रोडक्ट की रिसर्च पे मेहनत नहीं की होती.
You're actually right. Now I think of it. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Okay. Second last question: consistency or creativity?
Creativity.
Creativity. What is creativity without consistency?
It is something.
If you say so.
No, this is basically sorry. Daniel और
obviously.
मेरी back and forth यही होती
अच्छा,
है कि consistency versus creativity.
हाँ.
मतलब जब कुछ अच्छा आएगा तो बनाऊंगा.
हाँ.
बिला वजह बनाने का क्या फायदा?
हाँ,
बनाने होता है, लेकिन
creativity तो हर वक्त
consistently
नहीं
करते
आती.
तो रहो ताकि लोगों के top of mind पे रहे. So I understand the other perspective, but this is the one I choose.
It makes sense because you're a creative and creativity is something which doesn't come to you like very often.
On demand बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है.
Exactly.
क्या चलो अभी कुछ बताओ. ऐसा करके बताओ. नहीं होता.
Definitely.
नहीं होता, I
Now
hate
the last question of this round is one word to describe basic.
Basic.
Yeah, thank you so much, Shahrukh, for the whole podcast and giving us in
Of
detail
course.
depth of the industry and the market and your experience and the brand that you have built so far as well. I personally really like the idea and I will definitely try the products myself as well and I will give you guys the honest reviews. No UGC kind of content over here. लेकिन जाते जाते I would like you to give some advice to the people, especially for someone who is overwhelmed by the trends, by the comparisons and all of those things. So how does one stay basic in a world which is filled with complexity?
There's something I need to do myself as well, but be more present in the moment, less chronically online, because I think the portal that we have in our hands right now that takes us towards the worst places, sometimes also good places and great places, but disconnect, live in the real world, feel things, breathe fresh air, touch some grass, laugh with your friends, break bread with your family, and think less.
think less. Yeah, overthinking is the. I get you. Thank you so much for your time again, once again, and it was lovely to have you. Do you have any last advice or anything that you want to say to my audience?
Yes, I would like to start a campaign of everyone, what we said earlier. Every single one of you that has an idea in your head and you want to create a brand or a business and this and that, try to put in some sort of impact and try to make the world a better place. Keep watching One on One by TV.
One on One by TV.